Neura Robotics, leading the humanoid revolution. In the race towards general-purpose robotics, Neura Robotics is making big moves. Their focus, cognitive robotics, robotic arms, mobile service robots, and humanoids that integrate AI sensors and automation into a unified platform. And they're not just building, they're scaling. Neura recently raised $123.3 million in Series B funding, and remarkably, investors came to them. No outreaching, no chasing, it all happened in under a month. In today's tough investment climate, that's no small feat. CEO David Reger is clear on the company's vision. They don't just want to participate in the humanoid space, they want to lead it. While some humanoid projects focus on agility and stunts, Neuro is prioritising practicality. Robots that can work in industries like manufacturing, retail, and even household automation. Their expansion plans are equally ambitious. With a growing workforce, Neuro is hiring in Detroit, Boston, and Silicon Valley to be close to the key partners. They'll also move production from China back to Germany, betting on Europe's potential to lead robotics in innovation. So when will we see Neuron's humanoids in action? Reger says they're making progress with the next generation model, showcasing improvements in sensors, mobility, and efficiency. The goal isn't just to build robots that look human, but to make them useful in real-world applications. With strong partnerships, cutting-edge technology, and a clear roadmap, Neuro is positioning itself as a key player in the future of AI-powered automation. The question now, who will keep up? And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.